An hour later.
Girls is here. Hi, thank you. Michelle's all the way down there. It is.
I have my eyes open.
Oh yeah, that looks so good.
What is it, the portable one? The
I
one
got a friend named Kish.
by yourself?
No, we just pull up to like the farm.
It's shot time. Oh, we're gonna be drinking anything. Take it again. Another one. Another one. My smile, please. We're about to take a shot. I like this one though, actually. Tattoos everywhere she goes.
Walk in, you get me? Look, she's great. She's walking. Does anybody want to go on this boat with me?
Anybody want to go on this boat with me? You want to drive a boat or something? Okay, I'm gonna stop this night right here. We got so drunk, and clearly, as you can see, I was so drunk, but Bree actually cooked breakfast for us in the morning, and Rochelle brought me breakfast up to bed because me and Miranda was still knocked out. And we're also on like West Coast time, but yeah. Blue toast is always a thing. Okay, so I found this like area that's like really cute, and I want to get some pictures. It's on the side of our villa, so I really want to try to get some good pictures, so let's see. Bree cooked us dinner tonight. Thanks. We didn't really do anything today. That's why I haven't been on this camera. This shit is smacking, bro. But I finally figured out the pool lights to keep them a color. It took a little bit. Yo, this chicken is fire. a little bit longer. Then I'm gonna go get ready. We have a full day planned today. We have a tour today, so you guys are gonna come along with that. We're doing the mud bath, which I'm so excited for. We're doing a waterfall. We're doing Sugar Beach and snorkeling, and we're also doing these mountains, these like pit mountains that's here. It's like super popular, so I'm really excited, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me the whole day. But I'm going to enjoy a little bit more of this a little longer, and then we'll start getting
Banana.
Yeah.
the largest banana.
You can see all of it because it goes way up. So right now this is Roseau Valley.
What is it called?
Roseau Valley.
Those are all
There's some green or blue marks on the banana.
to keep
Call
the
it
things
banana
away.
condom.
Yeah.
It's to protect it.
I was about to say, so I can take the whole bag off, is what you're saying.
That we can't get you bananas? Like we never took no condom off.
Bree, I'm vlogging.
Like full of it.
You ain't never took no condom off before.
Ate a bag of.
She's back there happy, guys.
I'm like, I thought you were
No. Look at all the puppies. How are you, handsome? How are you, handsome? How are you? Vet tech back in the day, so you will see lots and lots of animals from this vlog forward. It's just who I am. I love animals, so you see lots of them. Okay, Randy gonna get her flicked one way or another.
Oh yeah, so
and she
everybody,
fired.
I was thinking while we're
Puppies. Hello. Say hi to the camera. Molly in the back. What's it called?
That's actually within the tip of the pizza right there. At the tip of the pizza.
Where? This one?
So yeah, so this is where we head into. That's in separate. That's almost separate.
Ah, gotcha. So what is this place called?
Huh?
What is this view called? The what?
Canneries.
Canneries?
Yeah. We're coming from the volcano. Right?
Volcano? Oh, okay, I see it.
That's the volcano.
All right, party guy Daniel. Like crying for her.
Right now, we're gonna take you guys over to the bat cave. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Bat shit. We're gonna get some bat shit on them. Bat shit crazy.
That shit crazy.
Right now, the bats are blind. But about 6 to 6:20, they spread out.
Oh, cool.
They feed on fruits and insects. They are totally harmless.
Fifth, you alright? You wanna come?
Damn. We also keep the mosquito rate very low on the island.
I keep getting bit up.
And we got
I
some
need a
very
pet bat.
beautiful ladies
That's
on
right.
board. I hope all you ladies love the bat.
Yeah.
Because a lot of you ladies don't love the back, but you love wearing mascara.
Yeah. That shit crazy? That shit crazy, that's right.
And as I told you before, St. Lucia is a female island. We were just at her butt crack. And
Yes.
if you watch my hands where I'm pointing right now, that's the biggest island part right there. You see it? You see the two rocks right there? Watch my hands.
I think
Yeah, what does it look like?
mine is in the gutter.
What does it look like, guys?
It looks like a booty.
Looks crusty.
You want to know what it looks like?
Need some lotion.
That's the JJ.
That looks like. get my weed from California.
Just don't say shark, because my ass is gonna.
You only shark that's hairy.
I'm gonna be the one that comes.
A turtle. Go. A turtle.
I thought he said a shark.
No, not a shark. A turtle.
Sorry.
Here, I'm a muffin. Can you
I
take a
got
picture
you,
of
yep.
him and I see him? Baby, hey, come over here, cause.
What do you mean come over there?
Because I want to get a photo.
What's in there? Oh, lift it up.
Oh, you got 2 drinks, Michelle. She's fucking it up. Hey.
We can change places. Don't want no Google faces. She got my heart.
Banana cake? You got banana cake?
Look, she said banana cake. I just spilled all my drink on me.
Oh, you scared me.
Oh no, you're good. No, I was just. Miranda, help me before this falls. My skirt really. Oh no! Oh my god!
Oh my God, stop. Wait, I can't get out. I got stuff in my hand.
Oh no! Okay.
Here, pull it. Or no, we gotta twist it around. There.
I can't be like just leaving her, but I'm like, girl. She's the one like, be ready, but she agitated as fuck because she think her weed. Yeah, I know. I'm like, she think her, she with him too. He ain't going, we all got us, you know.
See me? I would get lost. I would
Yeah,
go down
no.
the street.
She'll be good. She's just agitated right now. Let her smoke her weed real quick. Oh, no. So nice. I'll find a water pot where I go. Let her smoke her weed. I said, let my cousin smoke her weed and she'll be good. What happened? To what? An ambulance. Oh, I don't know. It's a I'm glad that I'm counting down. Is that a far walk? Okay. My mom some stuff. And my Kivana says she wants a key ring. Look at the kitty. Hi, little baby. Good. How are you?
Come back and take a look at what I do.
Come back. I'll take a look at it. Okay. I like that.
Oh, get in front.
I got a whole fur back there. How far is the walk, or is it just up this thing right here? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, is that like a volcano?
This
Here, I
is the
see.
volcano here, and I'll explain to you guys in a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give me some. Turn up in the mud pits. He got the rum punch and
This
a.
is the collapsed crater. This is what's
that belong to
remaining
you?
of the. That's yours.
No, this one's mine.
Oh, here's a free one. Have it.
Oh, somebody want to
Put it on for. That's it.
It's mine now. Thank you. Oh, it smells so bad, guys. You'll hear me say it smells bad a couple times, and it's because of the sulfur from the volcano. It honestly smells like eggs. It smells really, really bad, but you'll see.
Mud. We're scraping the mud off a cave in the volcano.
We gotta scrape the mud off the
Yeah, I'm
cave?
going to do it for you.
I was
It's
gonna
already
say,
done.
Okay.
we get some?
Sorry?
We get some to take?
I'm going to tell you why I will not be able to take it, but I'm going to have you take it, okay? We're breaking the rules
Yes,
for
please.
you.
Breaking the rules for us. Out in
All
St.
the rules
Lucia,
to
breaking the
beat today.
rules with our tour
$5,000
guide.
fine for this.
And Smalls over there.
Guys, this is it here. This is...
Say I wanna leave you in the morning, but I need to know. Yeah, I ain't find you, I give you all you need, and I know what you like.
These videos were taken the wrong way, but I just wanted to include some videos of me and the girls. This water was so nice. I think it got up to like between 90 or 105 degrees. It's supposed to help with like back pain, arthritis, joint pains. And then here it was the dark mud. And of course I told him, don't forget to take your
Paminuela. You want towel? Paminuela.
This is so fun. Like so fun. But all natural. I told him to also get the cake.
You don't need no other body. Only you feed on my body. Only you feed on my body.
Spicy, some of them are sweet, some of them are mangory, passion fruity,
Ooh, I like more mango passion fruity type of stuff.
coconutty,
We're trying all these
coffee,
rums.
chocolate.
Trying rums with a view.
Yeah. It's Horizon cocktails.
Horizon cocktails.
Right.
Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Do you see how many rums is on the table? I'm about to try. Let's go. That's my Gemini girl right there. That's my Gemini girl. Finally got her. We had a situation go on earlier. She helped me out with. This is a, what am I tasting? Passion fruit?
Oh, that's so good.
Tropical?
The passion fruit's good.
Oh, that's bomb. That's bomb.
All good.
She's hungry. Rachel's hungry.
I haven't tasted a bad one, just some are stronger than others.
Okay.
I'm trying to get in the video, trying to be famous.
Woo! That one wasn't bad.
You want to do ginger?
Ginger? I like ginger.
Yeah. So which one do you like?
Gonna get a Red Bull.
No, I'll cut it off. No, it will not be sweet because it's not. It is it's young. Yeah.
Yeah, I want that one. Thank you.
So now what?
You gotta bring it to the resort. Open it. I wonder how we
No,
cook
I
it.
did. I just
Huh?
cracked it.
What?
Drink it.
So we had to cook our food, guys, outside because we have no energy, no power. So Bree cooked our food outside. She's so smart. At least we got a grill. So yeah, we're on lockdown. It's a island lockdown because they have a hurricane watch. Of course, I picked a great week to come. And so all of our tours are canceled today. So we're just gonna like chill and hope it passes and hope we can like do it for tomorrow. Okay, the audio in this video wasn't all that great, but unfortunately this day we got hit with a hurricane, guys. So it was a national island shutdown. We had 2 tours booked. We were supposed to go horseback riding. We had another boat tour for like sunset. Yeah, all of that was canceled the day before, and we had no lights, power, water, anything all day. It literally clicked back on right before it got dark, thank God. But yeah, we didn't really do much this day, and our tours got canceled, which were crappy, but things happen. So I'll just probably insert some TikToks we did from this night.
Taking my pants and I got a few bodies up under my belt. Ooh.
Hello? Where we at? Oh, you want to know where I'm at? We outside!
And a few videos. So yeah, and I don't even think I got dinner recorded, but I got us taking more shots. So there you go. How are you today? How are you? I have no food for you. I'm sorry. I should buy you food though. You want some food? All right, this was the girls' last day. So this morning we were literally running around panicking, trying to get COVID tests. We ended up finding a hospital that does them, and we got them in time. Everything was good. But I'm gonna get you some food, puppy. I still couldn't find any tours. Unfortunately, booked. They were all booked up for this day as well. So I just had like an island day after we dropped the girls off. I am doing a beach day. I couldn't find a horseback riding tour, which unfortunately sucked. But I'm just gonna have an island day. I have a driver, so he's just gonna take me around. I'm so sad the girls are leaving, but it's okay. We had a good time. Oh my God, guys, look at this view. Like, I literally, this is such a beautiful island. We stopped to get food. We're dropping the girls off to the airport. I'm staying. Ooh, what do you have? Thank you. Bye, girls. I'm gonna miss you guys. Bye, girls. All right, guys. So remember, we got hit with a hurricane. So this is all the seaweed that got washed up on the beaches. So literally every beach looked like this. And the seaweed smelled really bad, honestly. But the beaches were still so beautiful. He took me to 2 beaches and I think 2 more viewing spots. So you guys will see it. You have to say hi. It's a video. This is the second beach he took us for. I really love these views. It doesn't show good on camera, but like all of those houses up there are different colors. So it's so nice. Oh my goodness. And these are almonds. I was like, you guys are peach color. That's pretty cool. This all happened from the hurricane. I'm so sad. Oh, it's still a beautiful beach. Ah, I can eat that?
Yeah, it's almond.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Oh wait, can you do one more so I can?
No, I mean the dry ones.
A dry one? Okay, click on me. Thank you.
Largest lighthouse in the world. One of the second largest.
The second largest lighthouse in the world?
Australia is the largest.
Okay.
We have the second one. You safe, don't worry if the two of us will pass it in the bush.
Plantain. All those banana seeds. I can't believe the hurricane's in Elsa. I just can't believe everything's banana rum was fire. I told him I wanted to drink some more rum. So we came back to where we got food from. But just a different place. Like one more outfit that I kind of really want to get pictures in. So I am gonna go take some pictures, and then I'm gonna shower after I take pictures because I know I'm gonna be like sweaty then. And then I'm gonna pack. Alrighty, so this day ends here. I was just really exhausted and I know I had to pack, and the girls had a little flight situation and they were here like honestly an extra day because of the hurricane, so I just wanted to make sure I had everything packed for the morning.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you.